opening up the imini2, and I really got this flashlight sent to me by Olight. Gonna see if it's something that is worth having on your keychain and the quality, but I opened it up and I've been testing it out right now and seeing the how bright it is and what something like this flashlight will use for. But so it has 50 lumens, a runtime of 16 minutes, 21 meter throw, and candela 115 CD. It's 55 millimeters, 2.17 inches length. Body diameter is 0.59 inch, 151 millimeters. It weighs 69 ounces and it has a 80 milliamp battery. So the package comes with the mini2, a USB port cover, 2 of those, and a keychain to put in your key, or you can put it on your backpack. But you can see there on the bottom, that's the USB to charge. There's a hole so you can put it through your keychain, and once it disconnects, it turns on. Pretty nifty little light, something nice to have. So you can see right here, I've already put it on my keychain. On this right there, there's the mini2. It came pre-charged, and as soon as you remove it, it turns on. And there's a magnetic backing there, so it's pretty cool. I mean, I want to test the magnet and see how it works when you put it like on your car or somewhere else that's metal and you're needed to have this light set up. I mean, you could set it there for an hour and have it lighting up, a campsite, a room. You lose power, or you're just looking and you're in a dark area. And let's see how you recharge it. So I took off the USB-C cover on the back and the keychain. It's just a little rubber piece to show you how you might charge it, whether you're at home or like right here. I have a Nest Out outdoor battery pack, so that way if you're like, oh, it's dead, it hooks up. It's not USB-C, which would be pretty cool, but I think it would also make that a really small point to possibly break off on your keychain. So you can see right there, it's charging. When I take it off, now I have the light on. I don't see, oh wait, there is a little red light right there to show that it needs to be charged. I'm assuming like once this is fully charged, it might turn green, but we'll see. But otherwise, pretty easy to charge it up on a wall plug, or like right here, I have my battery that can charge it up on the Nest Out. So I have the mini2 light right here on my keychain for the FJ, and I just wanted to show you how I could use this and its brightness at night. I figured it was going to be a lot better to do it that way, but instead of just showing it inside of a house. This fits really nice. It comes with like a little carabiner that can go onto my FJ Cruiser keychain and easily activate it right there. And super bright light. I mean, and another cool thing about it, it's magnetic. So you can stick it to any surface. As you can see right here, it can be something you can use while you're working at your campsite, or if you need to change a tire, or even use it in your engine bay. I could even use it as a video light, which 50 lumens doesn't sound that bright, but it is pretty bright for such a small compact light. I like the durability and how it feels in your hand, and the ease of cutting it off is just putting it back onto the magnetic point. So very easy in that sense, not much of a hassle. It can run about 60 minutes, and it's a USB is built in on the back, so you can charge it really quick. On your keychain or even on your backpack, you can use it, so don't worry about losing it. And let's go ahead and show you how it looks when I use it in the engine bay, for example, or changing a tire. So I'm here at the hood of my FJ, and I pulled open the mini2, and you can easily mount here on the top. Gives me really good light and visibility if, say, you had some engine troubles or you just need some light. I mean, most of us have cell phones that have built-in flashlights, but as you know, it works, but then it works until it can't. So if you don't have the magnetic back on here, which it's a bigger object, it's hard to put into small places. With the Mini 2, you're easily able to put it into all different, you know, magnetic surfaces and easily attach it or keep it in your hand. Even when you get in those areas where you need your hands free and there is no metal, last resorts, you know, make it work. Final thoughts on the Olight Mini 2 is that it is a really good flashlight to have as your EDC. Something that I think I'm gonna keep on my keychain, but if I needed to, I could shift it to my backpack quickly, easily to activate, easily to turn off and stow away. Magnetic backing that you can put on a lot of surfaces. It feels very well built and durable, bright. Overall, good product. Stay with me as I use it. Make sure you check me out on Instagram. Take care.